Rookie mistake, man. Rookie mistake. I said, hey, yo. Man, this your boy Tulu back with another video, man. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing? Hey, that's what's up, man. Listen, keep growing, keep grinding, keep doing your thing. But if everything ain't going so right for you right now, just wait 5, 10, 15 minutes tomorrow, maybe next week. You could definitely be in a better situation, man. So hey, look, chin up, keep trucking, man. All right, yo. So as some of y'all already seen, we pretty much got the small block to start up. We got all of our gas lines ran. We had the fuel pump set up back there, as y'all seen on the last video. So it's a few things that I want to go ahead and clean up and get right, such as some of these ground wires. Like, man, look at that. I got another strap for that, and we're just gonna clean up some of this wiring, and I'm gonna also need to hook this fuel pump up to a relay. I know I got a relay somewhere around here that we could use for that. And also I had to take this old hose off, man. As y'all seen on the last video, it was hitting that belt down there. So I'm gonna try to see if I can snag the one that I got on the Regal. Shit hurt my feelings, man. But I'm gonna see if we can snag the one off of her. I don't even want to go inside of it right now, for real. But I'm gonna see if I can get that hose off of there. And also we're gonna go ahead and get them lines tucked up. And I know a lot of you told me, man, to take that black cushion up out of there, man. I appreciate y'all for letting me know, man. I don't mind helpful information, you know what I'm saying? Like, I appreciate each and every single one of y'all, man, every time. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing, man. I'm gonna just go ahead and get most of this stuff buttoned up. Like I said, we need to tie that fuel line down, get it some ties on it. I still have it long enough, you know, just because we was testing. But hey, at the end of this, I should be able to get y'all a nice little startup for it, man. So let me go ahead and get y'all set up, man, and let's get to it. Booyah. All right, man, let's see if all right, man, let's see if we can get that bottom hose off of there. Hurt my feelings. So we got that new ground wire on there. Definitely looks a whole lot better than the other one. So yeah, that hose didn't work, man. It was too short. I kind of figured that. But what I'm gonna go ahead and do is probably gonna go in the car, find me a 12-volt key on source, and probably run a relay over here and rerun my fuel or my fuel pump power wire, moved that over here on the driver's side. All right, man, let me set y'all up. Let me get to it. All right, man, so right here, man, if you don't know, what I'm looking for is a 12-volt key on source. As of right now, the key is off. As you see, the light is lighting up whenever I touch a constant 12-volt power. That means power is going to it, like gonna go to it continuous, not key on. All right, so I'm reaching up here and flipping the key on, so it should show me where my 12-volt key on sources are, which I kind of already knew, but you don't want to assume, man. I always check, man. I always check. But hey, that's it. I'm going back over it right here just to make sure. Hey, I ain't tripping. I ain't tripping. I turned the key back off, so you see the light didn't come back on. So let's go ahead and get back to it. Man, and like that, we got our gas tank and everything back here pretty much wrapped up, man. Got our strapped in. Dang, I dare y'all, I'm banging y'all all across the place. And got our heat shrink on our wire right there. I do gotta heat that up. Got our hose shortened and zip tied back here. So what we're gonna do is go up under there and get everything strapped in for real, all the way down. Yeah, all the way down the driver's side. Make sure the hose and everything is good. Dang, y'all can't even see nothing I'm trying to show you. Make sure the hose and everything is good, and that'll be that. All right, let's get it. All right, y'all. As y'all see, we got our power wire for our fuel pump ran all the way back to the front on the driver's side. I am gonna put it in that loom right there. But I was looking pretty much where I was gonna put that relay at, and I was probably gonna put it down here, under here. I still had my other one from when I did the Holley system. I have this one, but I also have this other one with that fuse in it. I think I'm gonna just use this one because I already know how to pretty much use it. All right, man, let's go ahead and throw this thing on. Let's get it. All right, y'all, I was just pretty much getting everything ironed out how I wanted it to run. As y'all see, like I said, I'm gonna put my relay back over here on the frame. Well, on the inner fender right there. But I just wanted to go over the wiring with y'all. So red, as y'all see, you know, we go to the battery with that. On here it has it going to the circuit breaker. Lord, I might insert that on here for them. But anyway, that's red gonna go to the battery. All right, we got our gray gonna go to a ground. I could probably ground it back over here, pretty much where the relay is. Then we have our purple, which is gonna come to that fuel line. That's right there. We're gonna run our purple to it. And then we're gonna run that yellow to a key on inside, right on the fuse box. All right, man, let's get it. All right, y'all, boom. All right, that's how power. All right, man, so we pretty much got everything hooked up, well, except for my ground and my power wire. I just got them ready to go on the battery, but we got everything hooked up. We got our 12-volt key on source. We got our wire from the fuel pump coming up here. And like I say, I'm gonna clean all this up, put it in that loom when I get done, just to make sure that everything is working, man. So I'm about to put some power to her, and we're gonna see if we got that relay hooked up right, man. Let's get it. All right, y'all, we got power on it.
Let's do this.
Let's see what she gonna do.
Let's see this once and for all. Hello? Still no.
That's a fail. Okay, we got something wrong. We're not getting some
Gas.
We're not getting, I think fuel is actually in there. You sure you didn't see it?
No.
Oh, okay.
I only saw this white thing and this stuff. But that's all. I don't see no green stuff or nothing.
Gas ain't green.
It's clear?
Kinda, yeah. Little orange. But yeah, we're not getting no fuel. We're not getting no fuel. So let me retry. Let me put this ground wire somewhere else and make sure we're getting that 12 volt. All right, be right back. Rookie mistake, man. Rookie mistake. So I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. I didn't put the relay in there. I hooked the relay up but never put the relay in there. So we went over there and we snagged the one off the Regal. I think that's a 30 to 40 amp relay. And now let's see. That was a rookie mistake, y'all. Rookie mistake. All right, let's see.
Let's watch and learn. Yeah, we got gas. She turned, yeah. Right here. Yeah.
Hey! Let's go! We ain't gonna let her run too long, y'all. I ain't got that I don't have that bottom radiator hose on. Woo-wee. Smoking a little bit, but that's because she's probably running a little rich. All right, baby. All right, let's try it again. That's crazy right there. Y'all see that? We're gonna have to work on that. I turned the key off and it doggone kept running. Let's try it. Look, standing on the ground, standing on the ground. Well, it's probably already hear that pump back there. She start right up, baby. She start right up. Y'all see that? I turned the key off and it's still on. Hey, that's crazy, man. All right, baby. Well.
Found the problem.
Y'all see where we at, what we got going on, man. Pretty much got that figured out. We just need that bottom radiator hose, and then I need to tighten up this fuel line, put some ties on it, and then we should be able to drive her, man. I'm definitely gonna get all these wires right and all loomed up. But hey, man, y'all see we growing, y'all see we going.
Doing good.
All right, but I think next what we're gonna be trying to do, we're gonna be trying to get this MSD box and that Surefire that SS got onto her too, man. We're gonna try that. Your boy gotta watch some videos. Send me some videos or some tips or tricks, you know, how to hook those two products up. This is my first time doing it, hey, but we're gonna give it a shot though. But hey, man, y'all see we just got a few more things to pretty much tighten up, clean up, and we should be able to get a drive in her, man. Y'all ready? The small block Cutlass gang, huh? All right, man. Well, I appreciate each and every single one of y'all. If y'all new here, man, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notification bells to all, so you'll get the drop whenever I drop the video live or do a short, man. But until next time, salute, salute, salute. Let's get it.
Say if you got an old school